running. Car goes vroom down the sunny lane. Wheels spin fast like a speeding train. Honks its horn with a peep peep sound. Zooming and zooming all around. Train goes choo-choo on the track. Clickety-clack, no turning back. Steam is puffing, doors go wide. All aboard for a jolly ride. Buzzer! Bus goes beep beep through the street. Stops for kids in comfy seats. Doors swing open, kids climb in. Let the happy ride begin. Airplane zooms into the sky, flying fast and soaring high. Wings spread wide like birds that glide. Up above we take a ride. Boat goes splash on the deep blue sea. Sailing smoothly, wild and free. Waves go swish and seagulls call. Let's sail where adventures fall. Bicycle rings with a ding-ding cheer. Pedals spinning far and near. Helmets on and off we go. Riding fast or riding slow. Truck goes rumble down the track, carrying boxes stacked in the back. Through the hills and fields it roars, dropping off at every door. Helicopter, whirly whirly chopper flies, spinning blades up in the skies. Round and up so high, like a dragonfly in the sky. Scooter zips down the little street, zig and zag on tiny feet. With a giggle and a grin, hold on tight, let's begin. All together. Cars and trains and boats so grand. Planes that fly and trucks that land. Scooters, bikes and buses too. All the rides for me and you. Cars and trains and boats so grand. Planes that fly and trucks that land. Scooters, bikes and buses too. All the rides for me and you. Airplane zooms into the sky, flying fast and soaring high. Wings spread wide like birds that glide. Up above we take a ride. Boat goes splash on the deep blue sea. Sailing smoothly, wild and free. Waves go swish and seagulls call. Let's sail where adventures. Bicycle rings with the ding-ding cheer. Paddles spinning far and near. Helmets on and off we go. Riding fast or riding slow. Truck goes rumble down the track, carrying boxes stacked in the back. Through the hills and fields it roars, dropping off at every door. Helicopter, whirly whirly chopper flies, spinning blades up in the skies. Round and up so high, like a dragonfly in the sky. Kangaroos hopping near a tree. One took a tumble and scraped his knee. Mama called the doctor, what did he say? No more kangaroos hopping that way. 9 little kangaroos hopping in the sun. One hit a rock and hurt his bum. Mama called the doctor, what did he say? No more kangaroos jumping today. 8 little kangaroos bouncing with glee. One slipped down and skinned his knee. Mama called the doctor, what did he say? No more kangaroos jumping near the tree. 7 little kangaroos racing down the hill. One rolled over and sat too still. Mama called the doctor, what did he say? No more kangaroos jumping for thrill. 6 little kangaroos leaping with a cheer. One bumped heads and shed a tear. Mama called the doctor, what did he say? No more kangaroos hopping near air. 5 little kangaroos jumping around. One lost balance and hit the ground. Mama called the doctor, what did he say? No more kangaroos bouncing down. 4 little kangaroos dancing in a line. One slipped off and bruised his spine. Mama called the doctor, what did he say? No more kangaroos, not this time. 3 little kangaroos bouncing with grace. One spun too fast and lost his place. Mama called the doctor, what did he say? No more kangaroos in this race. 2 little kangaroos bouncing with might. One fell hard and gave a fright. Mama called the doctor, what did he say? No more kangaroos in sight. 1 little kangaroo jumping near a tree. He flipped and cried out, "Woe is me!" Mama called the doctor, what did he say? "No more kangaroos, not today." Water park, splash so high, sliding down we zoom and fly. Jump in the pool, the fun begins. We laugh and giggle with big wide grins. Waves go up, waves come down. We float and spin and splash around. Sunny skies and water play. It's a super splashing day. Twisty slide, here we go. Round and round, then down below. Zooming fast and squealing loud. We're flying through the misty cloud. Spray guns blasting left and right. Water fights with joy and might. Running through the fountains tall. We slip, we slide, we splash, we fall. Buckets tip and water pours. We rush and laugh and shout for more. Rainbow showers, splishy splash. We dash through puddles in a flash. Lazy river, drifting slow. Waving as the others go. Float along with ducky boats. Sailing gently as laughter floats. Jumping into water deep. We splash the lifeguard in one leap. Cannonballs and spinning dives. It's the best day of our lives. Bubble zones with foamy fun. We giggle till the day is done. Big balloons and bouncing games. We all laugh and shout our names. Dance beneath the waterfall. Water sparkles, music calls. Spinning, jumping, dancing crew. The water park is dream come true. Sunset glows, it's almost night, but we're still splashing with delight. One last slide, then wave goodbye. Until tomorrow when we'll fly. Hello, Mr. Moon, you're glowing bright. Guiding dreams through the quiet night. Floating gently up so high. Shining stars drift through the sky. Good morning, sun, with golden glow. You wake us up and help us grow. Shining tall, so warm and bright. You bring us joy from morning light. Twinkle stars, so small, so high. Dancing softly in the sky. Sparkling bright, they laugh and play. Lighting dreams until the day. Mercury is fast and near. Zooming close to the sun so clear. A tiny ball that spins so quick. Racing round with every tick. Venus shines with beauty bright. Hot and glowing through the night. Clouds of gas and golden glow. Spinning steady, fast, not slow. Earth is home for you and me. Mountains, ocean, sky and sea. Trees and animals all around. Blue and green, so safe and sound. Mars is red with dusty sand. Mountains tall and Martian land. Maybe robots roll and go. Exploring secrets down below. Giant Jupiter is giant round. With stripes of clouds that swirl around. A storm that rages with a roar. Bigger than you've seen before. Saturn's rings are wide and grand. Made of ice and rock and sand. Dancing round in pretty lines. Like hoops that twirl and sparkle fine. Distant planets, Uranus spins and tips its face. Neptune storms in outer space. Far from sun they spin and shine. Part of our big cosmic line. 5 little geese went out to play. Over the hills and far away. Mother Goose called honk honk honk, but only 4 came back along. 4 little geese flew through the sky, swooping down then flying high. Mother Goose called honk honk honk, but only 3 came back along. 3 little geese swam in the stream, floating gently like a dream. Mother Goose called honk honk honk, but only 2 came back along. 2 little geese ran through the sand, flapping their wings across the land. Mother Goose called honk honk honk, but only one came back along. One little goose sat on a rock, looking around the grassy dock. Mother Goose called honk, 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 but on came back to Mother's flock. Mother Goose flapped through the breeze, swooping through the fields and trees. She honked out loud, honk, 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 and found one goose beside the pond. Then by a log she found one more, hiding behind a grassy shore. She said again, honk, honk, honk. Now 3 geese waddled back along. One more flew down from a tree, laughing loud in playful glee. Mother called honk, honk, honk. Now 4 geese marched back along. The last one came with a joyful cheer. "Sorry, Mom, I had fun here." She smiled and said, honk, honk, honk. Now all 5 geese came back along. 5 little geese back safe and sound, waddling home they spun around. Mother Goose said, honk, 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 and off they went to play along.